everybody, this is Black Shadow 2525 and welcome to a new Let's Play video of Resident Evil 4, the Chainsaw Demo. This one's gonna be an interesting one because I am playing the newest game though, but it's only a demo though. But we're gonna try it out and see how it goes because I can't wait to play this game. So let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, main story, options, online store, don't think I'll need to. Let's just go ahead and play through the main story and experience the nightmare. New game, because I haven't played this game yet. So this is going to be definitely a blind playthrough. Or else, what would be the point of this recording then?
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
They changed a lot on the start. So I'm guessing Leon's voice is going to be different. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Okay, dokie. First things first though, before I do, I gotta turn down the volume real quick because I forgot my headphones down a little bit. Hopefully though that the video wasn't so loud. I'm not sure how loud it was. Let me check just in case. Okay, and we are back. Okay, let's go ahead and let's continue. It seems fine. Chapter 1. Oh, I guess we're not being dropped by... Well, I guess the police are there, but I guess we're not... See what's taking so long? Oh, I guess the police, though, are not here this time? Do I have any weapon? I guess not. And I got a crouch. Well, that's wonderful. Even I don't like holding crouch, though. But I guess that's kind of something I guess I have to deal with. Or can I? Display, language, graphics, controls. I guess for now I don't have to worry. I think they'll just tell me the controls instantly either way. Oh yeah, it's a lot more different than the other one. Sorry, I just needed to check something real quick. Okay. Just want to make sure get my bearings though. Oh yeah, it's to run. They told me something?
How far could he have gone?
How far could he what gone? Oh.
Shit.
Dead carcass, I guess. I hope it becomes a bit brighter. It's a bit dark. Even though I had my brightness set up like this, so I guess it is recommended. Crouch. And I guess this is where the first house comes into play. It's a long traveled in the other game. Oh no, is that a bunny? It's a bunny. Why the heck did they do this? They are monsters. You know I am a Rikuchi squirrel, but I like bunnies too. Just want to make sure there's no secrets. Ooh, wait, is that bear? Oh no. I'm so alert because of bear traps too. Can barely see that. Knock knock. Yeah, let's barge right in, Leon. You're an agent, though. You know how to go through people's houses, though, without knocking. Maybe that's why that one guy attacked you.
Anyone home?
Oh, yeah, now you say that everyone's home. Not concerned that the door is shut, Leon? Those potatoes. Ew. Okay. I guess first things first, I want to check out that one room. It's a stick. Crude charm. Judgment is nigh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna real quick turn up the audio a little bit. It feels a little bit too quiet. Yeah, 44 is good enough. Can't tell if that's bastard or fast or Finn. I can't read that. Haster Finn. Yeah, I can't say. That's all a bunch of gibberish.
Sorry to barge in like this.
And he does.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Guess he knows how to speak Spanish. I didn't get to fight?
This is not good.
Hunter's Lodge key. Okay. Oh, okay, so it is Resident Evil-like. Well, the first aid kits are always down the bottom. Knives, I think I'll just leave it right there, because I don't know. If you become lost, you can check your current position and objects on the map. If you have a treasure map, you'll also be able to see locations of hidden hidden valuables. Okay. It's a lot more different than the other one. Herbs are still kind of the same though in this one. It's cool you can combine them. Oh, and some of the items I found. And it's one of those where you actually have to wait to aim. Officer's badge. National Police Corps. Mario Fernandez, Castillo police officer. Probably one of the police officers that was with Leon though, but gone missing. I wish they kind of actually shown themselves a bit. And another rabbit. They are evil.
Man, that stinks.
Not sure what's in it though, but I guess it's not good. Oh, it looks like I got a quick inventory now. Okay. Oh, okay, that's where I just came from. Let me wait real quick. I still want to see something. No, it doesn't seem like it. Okay, I do have a knife. Wait, does that knife have... Oh, the knife has durability, doesn't it? I see that little yellow, white line, though. It has durability. Wonderful. I hate those type of things, of oh well. Oh, now you pull out a flashlight, Leon. That would have been nicer to see. Spooky and spookier down here. Instead of upwards, it's downstairs. Oh, it's a riot. I want to see if I could stab the rat, though. Because I don't want to waste a bullet, though, because bullets might be a bit precious.
Hey,
situation? What the hell's going on?
Huh. Alrighty. Ready to shoot.
What was that? No fucking way. This just keeps getting worse.
Whew. Okay, I didn't know there was somewhat of a quick time event. Somehow I guess I pressed the lucky button. I feel like if I wait though, he'll show up. Green herb. Okay.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later. I'll let myself out.
Map updated. So I'm glad that I snuck out. I just wish, Leon, that you kept your flashlight though. Sometimes it's really hard to see where you are in this. Nope. hope shooting a crow's not a poor choice. Oh, maybe not. This does. Of course, the shopkeeper's gonna be around here. Probably maybe wasting a bolt's not the wise choice. Handgun ammo. Sweet. Reloading. Alright. And a typewriter. Gunpowder. Am I not allowed to save? I guess not in this demo. I hope that might be a wise choice, so even though it just scared a crow. Oh no, the wolfie. I hope there's a wolf that's actually alive that I could save. If not, though, that's gonna be sad. More ammunition. Good. Okay. More monies. Uh-oh. Can I do the move? Yes, I can. Ooh, yep. Alright, so knives do give out durability, so that kind of sucks. Is there anything else I didn't know about? I think I might have already checked out the area here. Oh, bear trap. Of course I ran into the bear trap. Oh. I can barely see him.
Ahí está, detrás de ti.
Come on, show yourself. There you are. Nope.
Mi cuerpo.
Dude, boy, they look a lot so realistic. Alrighty. And a red herb. That's gonna heal me, give me full health. I am crafting. Certain materials such as resources, gunpowder, and knives can be used to craft different items. The type of item that you can craft can be increased by obtaining new crafting recipes. Run one red herb. Can I not use? I guess that's something I don't have to. Oh, and now I got resources I can actually have to craft. Okay. I'm gonna put the handgun ammo here. Flash grenade. Know what that's gonna be for? Oh, they have already installed shortcut. Setting weapon shortcuts. You can set a weapon to a shortcut by selecting the weapon in the item menu. Up to 8 weapons can be assigned at once. 2 weapons on each of the 4 directions. Okay. So I got a flash grenade. That's gonna go be here. So the grenades are gonna go right here. Ready to throw? Yep. Very much the same. Alrighty. In the village square. Oh, are we actually gonna see him burn alive now? I wonder if there was a way to prevent that from happening. Or would they end up burning him alive anyways? But now we know about that.
Sé que estás ahí. ¿Dónde
more intense though because I feel like if I shoot them, I'm gonna alert them.
Here we go.
Yep. It's one of these. Yeah, no.
Kidding me.
Now it's time for the actual action. W870 is still here. Oh boy. Brown chicken egg. That's good. Oh boy.
You're shitting me.
Ooh boy, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, not the cows! Oh gosh. Yep. Ouch. Yeah, I know. I gotta restore health. Okay, I could just combine them like that. Whew. Gosh, this got like intense. Oh gosh. Oh, what am I supposed to do there? Okay, nothing's safe around here. Even my frame rate.
Present for you. Sorry.
Oh, this is a dead end if I go here.
You gotta be kidding me.
No, I'm not. Oh, I can't even see. Oh, gosh. Gosh, what am I supposed to do? Oh, he's gonna block? Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh, that's the bell.
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir.
And they're ignoring him now.
Al Lord Sadler Todopoderoso.
Dude, this is a lot more slower than any other one.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Resident Evil 4. And that is the results of the demo. Completed in 29:41. Enemies killed 18. Money acquired 4,150. Good. Thank you for playing. Yep, available on the 3rd to 24th of 2023. Alrighty then. Is it gonna take me back to the menu? Yes, it is. Well, that is the end of Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. Ooh, boy, how intense that fight was. I didn't know how I was able to survive that. That's a lot more tense than any of the other games, though, because you actually got to focus instead of having a laser point being relied on this time. Ooh, that was intense. But thank you all for watching this episode. And hopefully, though, to see you all in the next episode once the full game releases. Black Shadow 2525 signing out.